What's going on YouTube? Ryan here. So welcome to this video. If you're new here, then welcome. My name's Ryan and I want to do a review of a course that I recently took early last year. So this is a course by Tanner J. Fox. If you haven't heard of him, he's an Amazon FBA seller. He's really successful. And I took his course at the beginning of last year. And my initial thoughts, I was pretty kind of skeptic as to how it was going to play out, but it ended up going actually really well. I haven't had any product that has took off, so to speak, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave his course in the description so you can check it out. But for the most part, you know, Tanner has done an excellent job. I think what he's doing is great. He's inspiring a lot of young people, because if you're young and you don't know what direction to take, I feel like Amazon FBA is the best decision you can make, because it's just so easy to start. It's just step-by-step process. So if you haven't heard of Amazon FBA, but like I say, you can go and check Tanner out. He's got a YouTube, he's got his course, etc. And this is an investment in yourself. You know, you're going to want to treat this as a proper business and, you know, changing your life, because it has shifted my life in a completely new perspective. So in terms of, like I said, you can check him out in the description, but Amazon FBA is essentially you're selling things on Amazon from China. So FBA stands for fulfillment by Amazon. So all the orders that you make or the sales that you make, they are fulfilled by Amazon. You don't have to do anything to the product. You just have to basically contact the suppliers in China. They do all the hard work for you. They send the items to the Amazon warehouses, and you just sell. And from there, it's just about upkeep and keeping everything flowing and advertising and keeping your listing fresh. But it's probably the best method for young people, simply because, you know, it's just step by step. You just follow the steps like Tanner teaches in the course, and you'll get success from it if you do follow what he says and, you know, think properly and think strategically about what you're doing, and you will succeed. But it's probably the best thing for young people. So like I said, just check it out. I'll leave his course in the description, and then just see what you think of it. But yeah, if you did enjoy this, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.